What's up guys, Joey's Rides here. So I just wanted to share a short little clip with you guys. I just found this awesome little cliffside road completely by accident. I was just staying off the highway on my way back from one of the passes that I did, and as I was riding through one of the small villages, I just saw this tiny little side road that seemed to lead up into the cliffs. So I turned around and decided to take it, and it turns out it's an amazing tiny little road that just goes right up into the cliffs. It's a dead-end road. It just leads to a parking lot where there's a cable car, but the road itself is pretty spectacular. So I just thought I'd film that on the way back down. I'm amazed that so many people live up here. You'll see why when I show you guys that tiny little road. I mean, the people who work here, that means if they gotta commute out of this tiny little village, they gotta take that road down every single day and come back up every single night. Unless there's a second road that leads up to here that I completely missed, but I don't think so. There's even a warning for cars that it's a dangerous road. And most spots you can't really pass if you have two cars driving against each other. Here we go, starts to get super tight here. And this is also the first time I've seen hairpins. There's a few of these hairpin corners that are like half inside a tunnel and half outside. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I love these tiny little adventurous type of roads. I honestly would not mind if this was my commuting road every morning and evening. That would be, I'm sure you get bored of it eventually, but not for a while. Here's another sort of half a tunnel in the corner. Wow, so tight. I mean, this must have been like a super old road that they paved over in modern times. I'm sure they took up like horse and carts here hundreds of years ago. These tunnels just crack me up. They're so cool. See, it's just a tunnel in a corner. Huh, I love it. There's a pretty little canyon here as well. Nothing like exploring on two wheels. My favorite thing in the world. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I just thought that was a really cool road when I was riding up, so I thought that would make a neat little video. Alright, hope you guys like that. See you on the next one.